Yo, Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Ollie here, Road Boy Ollie, the Jamaican barber. Yo, some things that I've done to my client, I just want to know if you, as a viewer, would keep up to this, and what would you do if a barber does this to you? So, just watch this video and leave a comment below and let me know what would you do if your barber do this to you. Crazy Jamaican barber. One time. So where you are?
I don't mind, man. Just give me anything. Just make it look fresher. Cause right now it's a bit mad for me out there right now.
Fresh, yeah?
Anything.
Give you fresh.
Did you?
Yeah, man. And just freshen it up, fam. Fresh.
Where they come from?
Yeah. They just appear, fam.
But did you just slap me?
Yeah. Fresh. Man.